today I'm out here at Los Vaqueros Reservoir. So today my main focus is going to be stripers and catfish. I'm going to be using anchovy for bait, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit different spots and see if I can locate some stripers and some catfish. The most I usually stay at a spot is 45 minutes unless it's productive, and then I'll stay. But if I go for 45 minutes, no action, try to find another spot. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to cruise Los Vaqueros. It's going to be stop and go every 45 minutes unless I find a hot spot. So that's going to be my main focus today, and hopefully I find them. All right, this is just going to be a real quick intro, and hopefully I'll be back in a couple of minutes with some stripers or some catfish. All right, woohoo! Okay, I got something. Excuse me, I was eating a sandwich and my line started running. So excuse me, I don't know what I got, but I am fishing for stripers and catfish. Don't mean to talk with my mouth open, but I got something. Something took off running. Ooh, nice drag puller. There we go. Uh-oh. You gotta be careful. Don't want to lose it. Oh, probably a good size one. Heard that drag? There you go. Light tackle fishing. What we got here? It's coming up. Ooh, nice one. That's a nice striper. Let's see what size this one is. Oh man, it's a pretty one. Oh, good fighter. Good fighter. Here he comes. Nice. Oh, this is definitely a keeper. Wow. That is a nice striper. Oh man, that is a beauty. That is a beautiful striper. I mean, I was enjoying a nice sandwich too, so whew, this is a beauty. It took off running. All right, let's take a look. Well, I was enjoying a nice sandwich and it took off. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Oh man, this is a big striper. Let's see what that says. All right. Okay. Easy release. It was hooked right on top of the mouth. Beauty striper. Beautiful striper. Move the camera a little bit here. I was enjoying a nice sandwich, and there we go. Take a look. Nice fish. Look at that. That's a beauty. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. Look at that. Look at that dorsal and everything. That's a beautiful fish. Let's get him out. I'm pretty sure that's a keeper right here. $20-inch striper. Check it out. Man, that's nice. Look at that. Beautiful dorsal. Man, they are biting today. Look at that. That is a beautiful striper. Alright, I'm going to keep fishing, see what else I get, but man, we got some action today, so I'm out here looking for stripers and catfish, and we're catching the stripers today. There we go. Alright, I'll be back in a couple minutes, see what else we get, but for now, woohoo, we are doing fantastic. Woohoo. Alright. Okay, so I just heard some drag here. Looks like we got something here. Let's see what we got. We got some action. We got some drag. Nice. Nice. Here we go. Get in here. Woo! Woo! Holy mackerel. Woo-hoo! Nice. Nice action. Oh, nice. Nice action. Oh, nice. Ooh, nice. Love that drag. Love that drag. Oh, nice. Here he goes. Coming up. Getting tired. Woohoo! What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? That was exciting. There we go. Oh, nice. Woo, I love action. There we go. Almost. Almost up. There we go. Oh, nice striper. Oh, nice striper. There we go. I see a beautiful striper. All right. Nice. Nice size one. Oh, here we go. Yeah, he got tired. Oh, there we go. Woo-hoo. Yeah. That was fun. Oh. A lot of drag. A lot of drag. Ooh, nice. Nice. Very nice. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at what we got here. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful striped bass. Beautiful striped bass. Let's see here. Okay. All right. Let's take a look. Ooh. Ooh. Let's take a look. Okay. Let's see. Let's take a look at what we got here. Give me a second. What do we got here? Nice. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful striped bass. That's a nice one. Whew. This was a fighter. Long too. We'll measure them out right now. Beautiful. Had a great day today. A lot of stripers. A lot of stripers today. Let's measure this guy out. See what we got here. $19. Another keeper. Another keeper, but I'm gonna let it go. I'll let it go. There we go. 19-inch striper. We're having a fantastic day. We caught a lot of stripers today out here at Los Vaqueros. We are having a fantastic day. Man, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful size striper. All right, I'm gonna keep fishing. Got about another hour to fish and see what else we get. All right. Woohoo! All right. Yeah. Okay, so today I came out to Los Vaqueros. My main focus today was stripers and catfish, and that's what I focused on. So I used anchovies for bait. I hit a lot of spots. I fished all day. The weather was just fantastic. So the weather was perfect, light wind conditions, and the fishing was fantastic. I used anchovies. I got a beautiful limit of stripers. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful limit of stripers. Look at that. Awesome. Perfect size. Look at that. Beautiful limit of stripers. And I did catch a lot of stripers today. I did catch several keepers. Got some undersized ones, released those, but fishing was fantastic. Could not find a catfish. I tried really hard, but as you can see, I did find the stripers, got a beautiful limit, and I'm really happy. So wow, so I got 1 hour left. I'm gonna keep fishing. If I catch catfish, boom, I'll put it on. If I don't, well, I got a beautiful limit of stripers on anchovies, so anchovies work. All right, like I always say, let's catch a big one. Man, fantastic day. Woo-hoo. All right, till later. Woo!